Hello and welcome once again to my channel. Today I'll be looking at the first lesson in B2, which is looking at the principles of organization. So please pause the video and read through the what AQA expects you to know in terms of the content. So organization is basically looking at all the structures that needs to come together to make up an organism. So cells form tissues. So when lots of the same type of cells come together, they form tissue. When tissues come together, they form organs. For example, like the lungs or the stomach or the heart. And then organ system, we talk about the digestive system. And when many different systems come together, they form an organism. Right, so they all need to basically build up together. It's like building a house, the building blocks. Cell, so let's look at that. So the cell is the basic structure and functional unit of life. And then within the body you have stem cells, which can then differentiate into forming many different types of cells. So each of these different types of cells, they have a specific job. So the muscle cells, the red blood cells, for example, their job is to transport oxygen around the body. Nerve cells are for electrical signals. The cardiac cells, those are the cells that come together to make up the cardiac muscle. Liver cells, they come together to make the liver. Intestinal cells responsible for the intestines, etc. So during the development of multicellular organisms, cells specialize to carry out particular functions. Now let's look at tissue. Tissue is a group of cells that have similar structure that function together as a unit. So you've got the epithelial tissue, the nervous tissue, muscle tissue, and connective tissue. So specialized cells are organized into tissues. Now you have organs. So I put some pictures here of organs. And tissues are organized into organs. An organ is a group of several different types of tissues working together to perform a function. And then organ systems. So I've spoken of that. So now I'll show you some pictures of different organ systems in the body. So we've got the digestive system. And its job is to break down food and also for absorption of nutrients. The respiratory system, the circulatory system. So the respiratory system takes in oxygen and releases waste gases, while the circulatory system, its job is to transport substances to and from our cells. And here are some more systems in the body: the muscular, the skeletal, and the nervous system. And so now you can pause the video and have a go at these questions. So what is meant by the word tissue in biology? So rewatch the video. Name two systems found in the body, excluding the digestive system. The human digestive system is an example of an organ system. The diagram below shows part of the digestive system. Name organs X, Y, and Z. So you pause the video, have a go, and then you can check your answers. So here goes. So tissue is a group of cells that have similar structure and function that function together as a unit. And the two systems that I've chosen is the circulatory system and the skeletal system. And then for the diagram in number 2, this one is the small intestine. I'm just going to write SI for the small intestine. This is the stomach. And the Z is the large intestine. Okay, hope you got all those right. And well done, and thank you for watching my video. Please like, subscribe, and also I'd appreciate if you would leave a comment just to let me know what you think. Thanks again, and I hope to see you again soon. Bye-bye.